Hi guys, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm here today to share with you how to make outdoor PVC shutters with sailboat cutouts. Cutting a pattern out of your shutters is really easy to do. You can follow my pattern and use my sailboats, which you can download on h2obungalow.com, my blog, or follow my instructions and create your own pattern to cut out a theme for your home. PVC is a great material to work with. It's lightweight, it won't rot like wood, and it'll last for years. Mark each board from the end at 7 inches and place your crossbars underneath on those lines with them on the inside of each line. Next, you'll use spacers to space the boards evenly, tack it, or use clamps to hold them in place, and lastly, secure them with deck screws. You'll want to copy both sides of your paper with your design so you can flip it over and have your design facing each other on your shutters. I measured 15.5 inches down from the inside of the top crossbar and made a mark, lining it up with the tick marks on my drawing for the sides and the spaces at the top. Used safety goggles and a mask while cutting PVC. I suspended my shutters across my workbench and my table saw, but you could easily use sawhorses just the same. Start by drilling pilot holes, then use a scroll saw blade with your jigsaw to cut out the design. Use a level to install your shutters and secure them at 4 corners with appropriate screws. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I absolutely love my sailboat shutters. They look great on my house. I hope you make a set for your own home. Don't forget you can find my full tutorial and download my sailboat template on my blog at h2obungalow.com. Search shutters. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I have over 450 DIY tutorials. Thanks again for joining in, and I'll see you real soon.